With us here at Newslife, President Aquino reiterates the government's commitment to attend to the housing needs of the urban poor. The President spoke during the celebration of the Urban Poor Solidarity Week. Rocky Ignacio with the details.
President Aquino reassured government's efforts to alleviate the plight of the urban poor. In its speech during the Urban Poor Solidarity Week, the President said the government has programs that could help informal settlers to have their own house. This is the 26th year of Presidential Commission for the Urban Poor's existence and in its 24th year of celebrating the Urban Poor Solidarity.
Nananatili sa halos 1.5 milyong pamilya ang bilang ng mga maralit ng Tagalunsod sa buong bansa. Upang tugunan ito, tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang ating resettlement program. Gamit ang 10.55 billion pesos na pondo sa ilalim ng Disbursement Accelerated Program 2011, nitong Nobyembre, nasa 4,890 off-city housing units na ang nakumpleto natin sa Metro Manila at nagsisilbi ng kanlungan sa mahigit 4,000 pamilya. Isang good news pa po, nitong Agosto, na-award na ang 169.4 million pesos na kontrata para sa Iloilo Resettlement Project, kung saan 1,000 housing units ang ating may papatayo sa 5.6 na hektarya ng lupain sa Haro, Iloilo. Target po itong makumpleto sa Hulyo ng 2013.
With this year's theme, issues will be answered and resolved. PCUP service is directed to the urban poor sector. President Aquino stressed that this theme will serve as a clearer direction of service through the righteous path of his administration. President Aquino recognized that many of these programs were initiated by the late DILG Secretary Jesse Robredo.
Imbis na bagtasin ang masalimot na daan ng sisihan at pagkakanya-kanya, itinuro niya ang landas ng pagkakaisa. Kaysa tapakan ang karapatan ng kapwa, pinaghari niya ang respeto at pagpapakumbaba. Imbis na yurakan ang dignidad ng mga maralita, bigyan lakas natin sila upang gawin ang tama at nararapat. Kung kapilang lamang natin siya ngayon, makikita siguro natin ang ngiti sa kanyang mukha dahil sa pagunlad ng sektor na personal niyang inaruga. Bilang pagtanaw sa kanyang mga nagawa, naway ituring nating gabay at inspirasyon ang kanyang buhay sa pagpapatuloy ng krusada sa pagpapaunlad ng bansa. Marami na nga po nagsabi, mahirap punan ang tsinelas na iniwan ni Secretary Jesse sa DILG. Kaya naman po, pasalamat tayo at isa ring tapat, masigasig at mapagmalasakit na lingkod bayan ang nagtutuloy sa kanyang nasimulan. Bilang bagong tagapagtimon ng mga lokal na pamahalaan, buo ang tiwala natin sa kakayahan ni Secretary Mar Rojas na ihakbang pasulong ang DILG.
Meanwhile, urban poor organizations extended their commitments to support the policy and program implemented by the Aquino administration to address their needs, including the 50 billion housing project for the informal settlers who live in the waterways and danger zones in Metro Manila. Former President Corazon Aquino was the first leader who established the Presidential Commission for the Urban Poor under Executive Order 82. For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.